Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
We're fine, everything is alright. Update time. It's 11:30. This morning was really slow, but this afternoon I feel like I have a lot of things going on and I don't know how it's all gonna work. So right now I am driving to my parents' house because the neighbors of my parents' house have a holiday house on the Sunshine Coast, so they go away a lot and they have a pool. And so they're like, you can use our pool while we're away, and we're like, sick. So Bryce, I think Cass and I are all heading over to the pool. I'm gonna go for a quick little dip, and then after the pool I want to go see my grandma because I haven't seen her in ages. After my grandma's, I'm gonna come home, shower, get ready, and I'm going out tonight with my work friends. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. Very excited. I love my work friends. And then after that, I'm gonna come home, and then the squad house will open. And then I'm gonna come home and the squad house are doing our gift exchange. And then I'm gonna come home and the squad house is doing. And then I'm gonna come home and the squad house is doing our gift exchange. So I'm pretty sure we're all gonna be home. I think that's what we've organized. I don't really know. Skirty skirt. I just won that. See you later. I'm gonna pick up some food on the way. I just really want some hot chips. Just like really bad. When don't I want hot chips though? That's been my morning. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Can I please grab a regular chicken fillet burger meal, please? Getting me that quality content. I picked up some food, so if you can hear meowing in the background or splashing, the sun just came out.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
It's now 20 to 6, and after the pool we all went to my grandma's house and hung out with her for a little bit. Then I came home, showered, and now I'm all dressed and ready, and I'm gonna go grab dinner with a couple of my work friends. We used to do this like at least every second or third Sunday night, and it was so fun, but work got so hectic that by this Sunday night we were all so tired. We haven't done it in a while, and I'm so excited to hang out with them outside of work and just like hang out as friends. As you can probably tell, I did get sunburn at the pool. I tried to cover as much of it up with makeup as I could. This is just a Christmas tradition to get sunburn right before Christmas, because I did this last year as well in the same pool. What are you gonna do? But just before I get picked up, I'm gonna quickly get some editing done because I'm not gonna have any time to edit tomorrow, so these vlogs might be like a day late or so, but I'm sure you guys can understand. It's Christmas. You're still getting vlogs, so it's gonna be a little bit late, so I'm just gonna quickly edit before I need to go. But when I come home, we're doing our gift exchange here with the squad members of the squad house, and I'm very excited. Mainly excited to give the presents, but also excited to receive presents. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. Opening our presents. I'm not going to show you what I got because I'm going to film a what I got for Christmas video, so stay tuned for that. But I love everything I got so much. My friends know me so well. But it is very late and I have to get up very early tomorrow for a massive day. But it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, so that's really exciting. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, friends. It is Monday morning and I think it's almost 6 AM and I'm about to head off to the airport. I'm dropping Rachel off there before I have to head to work. So leaving here at 6 and then I'm going to drive straight from the airport to work for my 8:30 to 6 shift on Christmas Eve. I have all of my bags packed because I'm actually staying at my parents' house tonight. So after work I'm going to go to my parents' house and have a family dinner with them and open all of our presents and stuff like that. So I had to pack my overnight bag, I have my electronics, my handbag, and then my bag full of presents for the rest of my family. I'm also wearing a Christmas shirt to work because it's the last chance I have.
Do the same. want. What I really, really want is a spice girl. I'm thinking about her every second, every hour. Do my singing in the shower, ripping petals off the flowers like, do she love me, do she love me not, love me not.
What up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my old crib. That is now just a trash bin for my family. You're
Because
welcome.
what else is anything that people move out of? You know, nice.
How was your day?
Fantastic.
Out of 10.
Oh, probably not like that. 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd
7.6.
6.7.
I look really red from the top.
Absolute mess. Look how sunburnt my face is. This is my Christmas OOTD.
I should put mine on.
Yeah, please. Yay. What's on the menu for tonight? Mashed potato. That's hot. And lollies. Ooh, turkey. Ew. Okay, I'm ready. Oh.
I can just go.
What? So I finished work for the day. It's currently 6:40. I'm just sitting here with my boy Bill. Heyo. But we're having our family Christmas dinner tonight, like we always do every Christmas Eve. We're gonna have some turkey, a mashed potato, and some veggies, some hot chips, the usual. And then we get to open all of our presents. So opening presents 2 nights in a row just sounds like a great plan to me. Keen to eat some food. I miss Bill the most.
What a shock!
I think we were all sitting in this exact same position last year.
I looked at getting this at Bunnings. They said that it had to be a special order.
Well, they just love me at Bunnings, what can I say? Parks in the trains.
For 18 years.
Mmm, Kescraft.
Whole.
See, I'm kind of nervous about this one actually. It's a minion. Doesn't look very happy. Looks like George after working Christmas. Tick, tick.
I got that pee.
They look like they're high-heeled.
They are.
Their platform.
Oh,
That's why I originally didn't want to get them, but they grew on me.
Is that a pun?
They look
Grew on
weird.
me. Haha.
What is it? No, please don't spray it on me.
Nice.
Oh,
I like the colour.
Mm.
You did not.
I didn't. I did.
Look at this.
Haha, joke's on you.
Nice. You had it on your
It has pouches inside.
Oh, that's so great. Oh.
And it has your initials on it.
So cool.
In the rose gold.
Guess what colour it is?
Oh yeah!
Matte pancake.
Oh, yes.
Me.
Wow, thanks so much.
Haha.
I love your voice. I thought it was a shirt.
Posable.
Ooh, fancy.
I have these stickers on my filing cabinet in my office.
Oh man.
I think I need to stop reading this. Yes. America.
I don't like this. No,
Okay, it's good.
it's green. It's Georgia. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
That's okay.
Do I know about this?
I have no idea what this is.
Yeah, I just can't remember.
Ooh. Ah.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's from Lorna Jane.
This is George's present.
Yes.
From like a 50
I needed this. We can be twinnies. I also have a hat.
Imagine that.
When you're outside. Yeah, that's what I feel like. Sam Stozer. Oh, yes. Whoa, are you a master chef? Look at that technique, the bent fingers.
I make me self-conscious.
We finished up opening presents and I got some really good presents. Like everyone did so well. Banger presents. So you have to stay tuned for my what I got for Christmas haul. But now it is 9 o'clock and Alex is making some coconut ice to take with us to Christmas tomorrow.
Thanks so much.
I know. I'm all tucked into my old bed next to my old chalkboard. Dusty in here. But I've just been up for the past hour or two editing, trying to get my vlogs done. But it's like 11 PM. So I need to go to sleep because I've been up since 5 AM. Negative ghost right now. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.